thanks for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name's Allie and I'm a writer now nearing 65,000 words of my YA fantasy novel's second draft. Woo, that's a mouthful. But it's good because it means I'm writing more. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my top 8 songs I listened to while writing my precious book. And obviously my writing playlist is much longer than 8 songs, but I'm picking my favorites from a mix of genres that pretty much cover the hero's journey or your day in your D&D campaign. Hopefully then you're more likely to discover a song that you like. Just to let you guys know before we get started, I can't really put the song audio in this video due to copyright claims and strike fears. However, I will include a link in the description down below that takes you to the playlist that I have made for all the songs I've included in this video, so make sure to check this out after you watch this. Song number 1, Kiss and Tell by Chris Bowers, or Bowers. I have to start with this one because it was actually my top song on my 2024 Spotify Wrapped, solely because I played it on repeat over and over again to write a very mischievous scene in my book, with sneaking, swords, thieves, you know the drill. Maybe it reminds me of my childhood watching Scooby-Doo, tiptoeing past masked monsters, and eating Scooby snacks. It just helped me imagine my characters in the right way. Be warned, I favor any type of music from the Bridgerton universe, and this may or may not be the first of many to be included in this playlist. Song number 2, Eloise and Theo, also by Chris Bowers, or Bowers, again. This song is light and airy and makes me think of characters bonding together or discovering something new and realizing they had misunderstood something really pleasant. It also makes me think of eating dessert because the piano is upbeat, the notes are nice and simple. Can you tell I'm not a musician? Song number 3, Storytime at the Rotten Raccoon by I.Do.K. It's upbeat, it's got a tambourine, and it's the music I'd imagine when D&D characters walk into a tavern to discover their first quest. Fairies are flitting by, comrades are spilling drinks, and couples are just dancing. And at exactly 1:23 in the song, the beat picks up even more, and it's fast on your feet dancing music, so you should give it a listen. Song number 4, The Night King by Ramin Djawadi. A masterpiece in my own personal opinion, and I'm so biased because I've watched Game of Thrones 2 times within the span of about 8 months. Now, I'm not a fan of spoilers, so don't worry, I won't spoil anything. I'll only say that this song is a journey within itself. It's serious, it's epic, and a sense of hope teeters this way and that with every note. I also heard the composer had a bit of a challenging time making this, major respect, and it totally shows how much hard work and care pays off. This is one of my all-time favorite instrumentals from Game of Thrones, hands down. Song number 5, So Close by John McLaughlin. This is the first song with lyrics in this list. Normally, I find it impossible to write while listening to songs with lyrics, but this one is a big exception. I've watched Disney's Enchanted so many times and have watched the scene that goes along with this so many times. It's longing, it's romantic, it's enchanting the ballroom with a mauve dress and killer dance moves. Song number 6, All Is Not As It Seems by Nathan, Gloria, and Josh. This is featured in the Witcher series and is the second song with lyrics in this list, and also an exception to my writing routine. This is a dance scene type of song, but not so much the romantic kind. It's the scheming kind where you're plotting to overflow a ruler or breaking into a treasure vault under the guise of dramatic dips and spins. This makes me think of smoke billowing, goblets spilling, and secrecy. Song number 7, Strange by Chris again and featuring Hilary Smith. Surprise, surprise, it's another instrumental from the Bridgerton universe, and this one is a cover of Celeste's hit song. Now technically, this is unofficial because I had it in my playlist, but I had to move it to another very much sadder playlist because it actually made me too teary-eyed for my own good. And hey, that's a good sign that the song is moving, and I also aspire to write stories like that. I've been saying the same type of sentence a lot, but it's beautiful, it's sad, it's wishing we didn't meet each other at the wrong time type of a song. With Celeste's original version, you get the message, but what's brilliant about this instrumental is that you can also feel it. Song number 8, Fairy Dance by James Newton Howard. Another song that brings me back to my childhood, obviously, and hopefully I'm not alone when I say that the live-action Peter Pan is one of my favorites. This scene with the pixie dust and the flying under the stars is one of total hope and wonder. Arguably, it could represent the entire movie. There are these lyricless, sing-songy vocals, and when you listen to it, you just hear sparkles. You have to trust me on that. There's also this blend of deeper notes when Captain Hook appears, and everything comes together in this perfect harmony. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Are you familiar with some of these songs? Do you have any favorites to write to? Let me know down in the comments, and we can all grace AuthorTube with our lovely, lovely recommendations. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!